Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off disappearing messages on a Facebook Messenger. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first stop, go ahead and open up Messenger right here from Facebook app or just the Messenger app. Okay. And once that's done, go ahead and find the message that you wanted to turn off, the disappearing message. Now in here, what you'll do is just go ahead and tap on the person's icon or profile right here at the top. Now scroll all the way down until you find privacy and support section. And in here we have a disappearing messages. So what you'll do is just tap on it, just tap on off. Okay. Now go ahead and go back. And in here, as you can see, it is now back to normal. That is it. Now, if you're using Instagram, okay, we have this feature that is called vanish mode. Okay, so these two are different, or so I say slightly different. Okay, vanish mode, or by swiping up when using Instagram, is a quick way to turn on disappearing messages, but the settings menu is the official way to manage it long term, as vanish mode is being phased out. All right, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.